So hey guys, welcome back to day 6 of Pokemon 10 packs opening challenge. This is Void here. So let's see what we get today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hope you enjoy this video. Let's see if we get something good today. A Mew foil. A Mythical Slab, Pikachu, Ponyta, Raichu foil. Executor, a Golem foil. Oh, a Gyarados EX first card. Let's see if we get something. No. Radigan, Old Ember, Rapidash, Salazzle, Volbeat, Blue. This is the 8th pack. Executor, nothing so far. Weezing. Nothing so far. 10th pack. And nope, nothing for today. Let's see you at day 7. Void out.